I'm from India.
Oh, India.
I come from Ghana, West Africa, yeah.
And
How long have you been here?
30 years.
Yeah, 8 years.
I only more than 28 years.
Around, I come here 1997.
So can you speak Cantonese?
Yeah, I can speak Cantonese. I can understand Mandarin a little bit. Here, because this is a tourist place, the people, customer, guests come from all of the countries, all of the worlds, like from European, mainland China, India, Pakistan, many other countries, from Egypt.
Shopping Mansion is a tourist place. 呢度係遊客區，因為好多都過嚟呢邊咧就平酒店，所以個個過嚟呢度揾平酒店，慳翻嗰啲租金，愛嚟買嘢拎翻去自己嘅國家，所以呢度咧就屬於係遊客區，所以咁複雜。
It's like so easy for them to afford. But like later on, if like okay, you're mainland Chinese, okay, you can go stay anywhere. But when people come, South Asian people, like from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, these kind of countries, so everybody know.
No here.
Everybody know. Even if they take the bus from the airport, 21A, they come here. So when they land here, reach here, they feel own home, the feeling same. They can easy to get Indian food, Pakistani, Nepal food, Bangladesh. So easy for them to communicate. They can buy some product, Philippine product, Indonesian product here. It's easy for them. So even they can, especially for the food and the language and the guest house is cheaper. Business actually is not so good here now. Not good because reason is the worldwide economy is not good. Worldwide the problem.
Yeah, I know, but
not in Hong Kong, China. Many other even you go to South American countries, Panama, Venezuela, Colombia, all they have crashes, all they have problems. They are you can say that because we get used to.
But now
No, because
the situation has changed.
No, not so danger actually. Only the problem, the media too much highlight here. Because even in go to Wan Chai, go to Lan Kwai Fong, go to Kwai Chung, other city, Chaiwan, so many bad happen things there. But the media never notice, never write anything. But because here is the, I think some builders like some big company behind this because they want this building.
Yeah.
They need this area, so they highlight too much. They highlight too much. This thing happened, Chungking mentioned. But if they have, if like this, why they come? Here is media always highlight. Always they small thing they make very big.
I know.
Something, two people fighting, anybody can fight, but the case will go to police, will catch them, case will go in the court. Who's the winner, who's the loser, who's wrong, who's right, the court will decide, not media will decide. Media immediately write, put in the Facebook, this thing happened, Chimchashoi, this thing happened. So this thing affecting to us too much. The people afraid to come here. Actually it's not that much because Crown, the police doing very good job here. They're very good, doing good job. Anything happen, we can call 999. The police come, they help us. There's no any problem. Really have, if you compare to other places, have little bit problem because here is more South Asian people, so they are little aggressive. Okay, they are most because this place is more refugees. So refugees, they not follow the system, Hong Kong system. They not follow the law. They not afraid because they know they're not under the law. Because they are only staying in Hong Kong because of the refugee status. So they have to leave country anytime, maybe 1 year, maybe after 2 years, 3 years. So we Hong Kongese, so we have to follow the system, we have to follow the law, we have to follow our people, we have to communicate with our own communities, all Hong Kong people, mainland people, all other country people, especially the Hong Kong local people. So we are work under the law. We have to follow the system. We have to follow. We care about other people's feelings. But they are people because why? If little bit Hong Kong, Chongqing mentioned have a bad image because of the refugees. Sorry to say, because of the refugees people, they are not follow. They creating little bit problem. Trouble. So this is it's not my job. It's the government job. They have to handle to them. The government already doing slowly. They are working on this. So they will find the solution soon as possible. They are working. They're making tight the things.
Want to be movie star? Really?
Yeah.
Which one? Which one?
This
want
one
to be?
star. This is Mota star.
Oh.
Yes.
I don't have any distance. We love each other. We know each other.
You love each other.
Yeah.
He loves you.
Yeah.
Do you love him?
You ask. Maybe he will tell you there are two love in this world. One is you love women,
Yeah.
and one is you love your brother. That is it.
Okay.
Yeah. Anybody is my brother. I love him.
But I'm very angry, sometimes Hong Kong media or other country media, especially they focus too much on. So sometimes I think some builders, some like who want, maybe somebody want these buildings, they want this area, they want like we go from here and they can break this building, they can build the new building. So this, I think behind these things.
Do you think of this building? Most of people outside here, they are afraid of getting inside. So what do you think of this?
Chongqing Mansion is very old building. So what do you think?
This one is very good. Long time I stay here, but no have any big problem. Sometimes the people is the ring and shouting. Sometimes not every day, but it's normal. Some people need water and you want to free. Maybe some people don't have money, give the free. Or
Humanity
okay,
is first.
no problem.
Do you like Hong Kong?
I love Hong Kong.